guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this look right here for you. Oh, the intro was so stupid. Okay, let's try again. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing this look right here. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this. It's like purple and orangey with some glitter, cut crease. I'm still learning the cut crease thing, so bear with me. Hopefully you can learn with me because I haven't really done a lot of these, so I am attempting. But yeah, I just did like this orange glitter with some purple in the crease and a nude lip. I did try purple lip in the video, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. It sucked. I'm really disappointed. It's super sticky. The applicator is just huge. Like, look at that. Literally huge. So it's so hard to like, you know what I'm saying? I haven't tried any other shades. I just picked up this purple one because I thought it was pretty. So I will try and pick up a nude shade to see if the formula is different between the darker shades and the lighter shades. But yeah, this was just not, like, you'll see in the video, like, it was just an absolute mess. So that's a no. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. Something different, something fun. It's kind of giving me some Halloween vibes, but like, girl. Yeah. So please keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. Okay, I need to film. Okay, so first I took this shade Warm Taupe from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just blending that with a Sephora blending brush in my crease. I also did my foundation and powder and eyebrows off camera. I have an eyebrow routine that I did for last week's video, so I will link that down below if you are interested. So next I'm just baking under my eyes, just so none of the eyeshadow falls out and ruins my foundation. Next I'm going to take this shade Saturn from the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm putting that on my lid, but I actually kind of messed it up, so I didn't do that on the other eye and I tried to fix it. So instead I took the shade Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette and that same fluffy blending brush, and I'm just working that into the crease and a little bit above the crease. So as you can see on the other eye, I left the lid blank. This is because I'm doing a cut crease and I messed up on the other eye, but that's okay. So now I'm just cutting out my crease. I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal concealer and a Real Techniques detailer brush. And I'm just carving out the shape that I want. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the shade Saturn from the Modern Renaissance palette, from the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just using a small packer brush from Sephora, and I just packed that onto my lid, and then I went back in with the Sephora blending brush and just blended that all out. Next I'm taking another color from the Prism palette, and this is like a shimmery orange copper color, and I popped that on the lid. This shade's called Eternal. Next, I'm just taking the shade Lucid and highlighting my brow bone and inner corner. And then I took the shade Eden and put that on my lower lash line. I also did winged liner off of camera, and I just used a e.l.f. liquid liner. I also applied my mascara off the camera. I used the Great Lash by Maybelline. And now I'm contouring with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula and a MAC 132 contour brush. And I'm just baking the contour now with that same translucent powder I used to bake under my eyes. That was the Patrick's powder by MAC. And now I'm just using some Tarte blush, and for highlight I took the orange and purple highlighter out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Next I'm just blending everything all together and dusting off the bake with a small fluffy brush. And now I'm just highlighting more and more and more. So I tried out the L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick, and it was so sticky and gooey and really hard to apply. Like, I really struggled with applying this. It got everywhere, all over my teeth. It was just an absolute mess. So this is a look of disappointment, and I'm going to be taking that lipstick off because it felt like it was super glue on my lips. So now I'm just taking my MAC lipstick in the shade Viva Glam 2. There's no music playing, but I'm just dancing. So that's awkward. My name is Party, not participation. Sorry for the miscommunication. I need a drink and some tequila.